Ever fancied a tropical getaway to the Bahamas but shuddered at the thought of emptying your bank account? Well, fear not, we're here with some savvy, budget-friendly vacation tips. We're going to share insights on when to travel, how to snag the best package deals, alternatives to pricey resorts, and ways to enjoy the local flavor without splashing out. So buckle in, future Bahamas explorers. Stay tuned as we dive into these wallet-friendly tips that will make your dream of a Bahamas vacation a reality. First up, consider timing your vacation during the off-peak season. This strategic move can be a game-changer for your budget. The Bahamas, like many popular destinations, sees a drop in prices during these quieter times. From accommodations to activities, you'll find deals aplenty. But it's not just about the savings. Traveling off-peak means fewer holidaymakers around, giving you more space to breathe and explore. So not only will you save money, but you'll also enjoy a more relaxing, crowd-free vacation. Next up, keep your eyes peeled for package deals. A wise traveler knows that bundling is the way to go when planning a budget-friendly getaway. Look for all-in-one deals that include accommodations, flights, and even some fun activities. These package deals often come at a lower price than booking everything piecemeal, allowing you to save some precious bucks. Plus, it's a hassle-free approach that lets you focus on the fun part, the actual traveling. So, bundle up your travel needs into a package deal and watch those savings roll in. Now, let's talk about accommodations. Rather than opting for a pricey resort, consider a guest house or rental property. These alternatives often offer significant cost savings, but that's not all. They also provide a unique opportunity to immerse yourself in the local culture, giving you a taste of the real Bahamas life. You might find yourself in a charming neighborhood, or have the chance to meet local hosts. The possibilities are endless. So, think outside the resort box for a more affordable and authentic Bahamian experience. Hungry for savings? Then it's time to explore the local markets and eateries. Ditch the expensive resort dining and venture out into the bustling Bahamian streets. Here you'll find a smorgasbord of affordable, mouth-watering dishes, from fresh conch salad to spicy jerk chicken, and the best part? You're supporting the local economy while you save. So why not immerse yourself in the vibrant food scene that's just waiting to be discovered? So, tickle your taste buds with local cuisine and keep your wallet happy. Finally, remember that fun doesn't always come with a hefty price tag. The Bahamas is teeming with activities that are free or low cost. Immerse yourself in the natural beauty of the islands by visiting enchanting beaches or hiking scenic nature trails. For a touch of local culture and history, explore the myriad local museums. These experiences not only enrich your vacation but also keep your budget intact. So, soak in the beauty of the Bahamas without spending a dime. So, there you have it, folks. A tropical getaway to the Bahamas doesn't have to break the bank. Remember, travel during the off-peak season, look for package deals, consider staying in a guest house, enjoy local cuisine, and take advantage of free or low-cost activities. With these tips in your travel toolkit, your dream Bahamas vacation can become a reality. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and inspiration. Have any Bahamas tips of your own? Leave a comment below. Happy travels!